Hi all, welcome to the 12th exercise in the sketch and constraints module. So this is the last exercise in this module 1, which I will demonstrate how to complete. So if you look at the drawing, we can see all the dimensions are given. The remaining constraints we have to imagine. Okay, so let us start this. So we will use this as our origin point to start the sketch. So new sketch, okay. So coordinate system, we can lock it. Okay, so now R18, let us draw R18, center and ends. So let us draw one more line also, then we will. Okay, this is R18. 18. Then this dimension is 12. So from here, so this is 12 and 4 mm. So this is 12. Now let us draw this line here. Okay. Okay, this much. Then let us see. So we have drawn up to here 12. This is 15, and this is 45. So this is 15, and this dimension from here to here, it is 45, and this is 4. So this dimension we will give later. Okay. Okay, this dimension we will give later. Now we can draw a arc R36. So we have to find out this intersection point. So let us draw a R36 arc. So this is R36. 36. This fillet is R8. Let us create that fillet, or let us make coincident, then we will. Okay, then we will make the fillet. This is 8. So this dimension, we know this is coincident here. So let us make the coincident, this line and this point coincident, so that constraint is over. Now on the other side, have to draw a line. This is also in the same line. So here 3 mm. Okay, we don't know that dimension, but it is understood. So let us draw here. Okay, something like this. Now we will check. So from here to here it is 15. So this is 15, we know, and the total distance again from here to here, it is 45. That is understood. That we know. And next, from here to here 9, and the total is 12. So let us give this dimension, or shall we draw one small line here? Then we will give the dimension. This is 12, and this is 9. Okay. Now again the same curve, we have to assume that this is R36. So let us draw that arc. So this is R36, and we will make here also fillet, we can make R6. So this is R8, sorry, this is R8. So let us make the fillet. So we no need to give the dimension, we will give equal. So this equal. Okay. Now what we will do, we can draw the lines, or 36 mm. So let us make this symmetry. This point and this point is symmetry about this. Oh, and so let us drag this. So let us delete this. Delete. Now let us make symmetry. So this point and this point is symmetry. Now it is working. Now we can give the dimension here. So this we will 21.087 we will delete, and this dimension is 36. Okay. Now we can draw this curve, this line, or shall we draw this R36 curve? We can draw R36 curve. Let us draw an arc. So this is, let us give 36. Now we have to find out this dimension. So that dimension is somewhere here. So Okay, let us draw this circle dia 14. Dia 14 we will draw. So this is dia 14. Then we can draw this line 20 mm. Oh, what happened? One more time we will draw this line. So this is 20 mm, 20, and from here it is 29. Let us define that dimension. Here to here it is 29. 29, that is understood. We can draw two lines here. Now, okay, what is next? So this arc is coincident on this line. Let us make that coincident, this and this coincident. Okay, now we can make this fillet R6. So this is R6. Now we know this dimension, it is 158 from bottom. So now we can give this dimension, that is from here to bottom it is 158. That particular dimension we know. Now this 29 also we know, but what about the center point? The center point is here. There is another arc R14. Let us draw that R14 now. R14 here. So we will draw, this is this as, oh, this we don't want this constraint. This is R14. We know this. Okay. Now we can make this point is coincident on this arc. If you look at this drawing, you can see this point is, this arc center is coincident on this arc. So let us do that. So coincident, this point is coincident on this. Okay, now almost that particular part is getting okay. Next we can draw another arc R20 from this center point. Let us draw that R20 from this center point. Okay, so arc from this center point, we can draw an arc, and this is R20. That is the problem. We have to make it a little bit smaller to work. Okay, then we can increase it 20. Now we can make coincident. This point is coincident here. Similarly, I think we can make the other side as well. Other side also we will make coincident, then we will draw the line. So let us see this. This point is coincident here. Okay, now it is working. Now we can just next we will make the R5 fillet. So fillet and equal, is both fillet equal, and the value is 5. So that part is also over. Next, either we can mirror it or we will make the curve R36. Let us draw the curve. Okay, now we will make the coincident and fillet. Now we will make equal, this both equal. Okay, that much we have completed. Next part is we have to draw the line till the end point. So draw the line. Similarly here also. Okay, I think we will make tangent first. Tangent. Then we can mirror it. I think that is the option now we can use. Go for mirror and select this. Okay. Now we can trim, delete segment and trim this portion. Okay, let us make coincident. This coincident. Oh, it is something is not right. Okay, so what we will do is okay, I think this we will delete it. Then let us draw a line. Then we will give tangency. That is best. Okay. Instead of giving, now here we will use the circular option and we will add this fillet. Here also we will add this fillet. Now I want this dimension to be given. That is how much? 36. 36 enter. Now I want this both the arc equal and I want symmetry. So this point and this point is symmetry. Okay. That much is okay now. Now almost the outer profiles are over. Now only thing, okay, here this profile we haven't completed, so let us do that. R8, let us draw R8. So we will use the arc command. And draw a line. Let us delete this. And this is R8. That is let us make this little bit smaller. Now we will make it smaller first, then we will add the, now we can add tangency. This also we will make tangent, and I think it is okay. Now we can make another thing vertical, this point and this point vertical. Okay, it is already there. Next we have to add a dimension. How much? So okay, we have to create these two circles, then we can add the dimension for that. Let us draw the circle, I think somewhere here. So this we have to delete. The diameter is dia 10. Look, and 38 from here to here, it is 38. And next we can add the other dimension, that is 17. 17. Now we can mirror this curve and add the required dimension. Mirror. Thirty-four, enter. So I think only the last circle is dia 12 circle here. Just draw that. Dia 12. And we will make vertical. This is also vertical. Then finally we have to add 40 from here. 40. Now let us once again check everything. So here this profile, everything we have done. So this, okay, that's all. So we have completed this exercise with full constraints and all the dimension 36. So here one extra dimension is there, 44.079. I don't want this dimension. I want to properly maintain this. So this radius, how much is that radius? R6. That particular radius I want to add, R6. Okay. Now I think all the, we have to check once again. 26, 29, 29, 38, 17, 20, 18, 36. Now all the dimensions are properly defined and the sketch is fully constrained. So we can save this. So working directory, select the working directory. Save. No. Working directory. File. Save as a copy. No. Save as a copy file. Save as a copy. Then my working directory. Save. Okay. Okay. So that is the final sketch and constraints exercise in this module. Next, I will give you two assignments. After that, we will start the modeling. Thank you. Thanks for watching.